Well, hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deidre Murphy, and I am your USOA's Mrs. Washington 2025. I want to invite you to watch a special webinar and workshop series that I've created for any woman looking to navigate alternative pathways to motherhood, whether she has children already or not. My series is called Map to Motherhood, Navigating Alternative Pathways to Motherhood. I invite you to come along with me, watch the 5-part series. I kept them really brief, and we go over all the different routes to potentially starting or adding to your family. Not only will I provide you with all the support, but even ethical questions to consider, your own emotional things to consider, as well as costs involved with each of the different routes you might take. I encourage you to please watch the series with an open mind, open heart. Also download my resource guide that goes with the workshop series. It's designed to be a companion that will help guide you through the questions. It'll go along with each episode. So please check out this series and share it with your friends or family that might also be looking for alternative methods to start a family. All right, I'll see you inside, and thank you so much for being here. Until next time.